All right. So in 2019, my son had turned me on to crypto. He's about 24, 25 at the time. And he said, Dad, you got to check out this Bitcoin thing. I'm like, I'd heard of it, but I was like, I don't get it really. But I looked into it a little bit. I thought, well, let me buy some of this. So I was able to figure out how to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. And I started watching some YouTube videos. I wasn't that impressed. I didn't really get it. And I was like, I get this. This isn't for me. And I shelved it, forgot about it. Well, in 2020, while I was locked down like the rest of us, watching a lot of videos, I started watching some crypto videos. And I thought, what happened to that $100 that I put into Bitcoin a year ago? So I was able to fumble around, find my password, got back into the crypto exchange where I had bought it, and that $100 had turned into $500. Now this internet money had my attention. Okay, Bitcoin, crypto, what are you all about? So at that point, I dove in. I started looking at some more videos. And again, I was just really disappointed with what I found, the quality of education. Just a lot of crypto bros just talking about going to the moon and buying their Lambos. And it just wasn't anything that I was interested in. I was interested in a solid investment. Is this thing real or not? What can it do? And so I continued to research. Finally, I found a couple of courses online that I took, and some were good, some weren't that good. But I cobbled together enough information to really get Bitcoin and crypto, really what it was all about. And I really got fascinated. And of course, at that time in my life, I had realized I hadn't saved enough for my retirement. I was in my 50s. I was like, how am I going to save enough now that I got to catch up? And when I looked at the traditional financial system, it was going to take me a long time to catch up with that model, the 60-40 stock bond split in some mutual funds, some bond funds. It just didn't seem like it was going to work for me. So I thought, well, this crypto thing is kind of cool, and I don't know if it's really going to be around or how it's going to do. But if I took it seriously, could I use crypto to catch up on my retirement? Could I create a crypto-only retirement portfolio? So that's what I set out to do, and I found out you really can do it. There's lots of different ways to diversify, to hedge, but also to stay safe. There are ways that you can keep your crypto safe in a hot wallet or a hard wallet, which is like a USB, or sometimes they look like little metal credit cards. You can self-custody your crypto so that nobody can get access to it. No bank can shut it down. Nobody can confiscate it or do anything with it. They need the passwords and the keys, cryptographic keys, to get in there and transfer it out of there. It's very safe as long as you know you're not going to lose it or give to somebody or share your seed phrases with somebody, because it's all cryptographic. It's all digital, and that makes it really powerful. There are a lot of scammers out there that can entice you to give up your keys, but if you have some plans in place, you can stay safe. So that's what I've done. I've created a crypto-only portfolio to catch up on my retirement, and you can really retire on crypto only. So in 5 years, you can really set up your retirement. In 10 years, you can be doing really well and completely retire. You don't have to wait 20, 30 years like traditional finance. So that's what I found out. So if you'd like more information about how can you learn about crypto and get your hands dirty and actually invest in some crypto, small amounts at first until you get comfortable, let me know. Hit me up and let's talk. I'm creating an online course that will have lots of videos to walk you through this, and we'll do live online calls so you can get all your questions answered. So that's coming up soon. So give me a jingle. Until next time, we'll see you. Crypto Cowboy signing out.